Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. And as you have seen in the thumbnail that today is my anniversary. Today is our anniversary and it's actually our first anniversary, so I'm really very excited. So I thought why not to vlog it with you guys and show you what we are gonna do. So first of all, we are going to Mahabaleshwar. We just thought let's go for a staycation. So yeah, okay, it's 10:30ish a.m. right now in the morning, and as you can see I have all dressed up. Vinit is actually gone for some work, like uska kuch kaam tha to wo chala gaya. So I've planned a little surprise for him, बहुत basic छोटा सा. So I'll show it to you guys. Let's go. But first of all, check my outfit. So this is lavender lilac cardigan with skirt. I don't know how to show it to you guys. I might insert a photo here and there. So this is the little decoration that I made. Just thrown in some balloons, a flower of bouquet, candle and a pastry. ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने किया नहीं. The reason is that we were leaving and मतलब घर पे कोई नहीं था and we were for like very little time, so that's why. So कोई point ही नहीं था, I mean कुछ बड़ा करके. But he really loved it. My small surprise really liked it. Okay, so हम करने वाले हैं pick each other's favorite challenge, and we have shopped for a bunch of things and let's see. Okay, so ready?
Ready.
Okay, so first category is your favorite snack. एक साथ कर रहे हैं. That is my favorite snack. This is your favorite snack. ये तुम्हारा सबसे favorite thing, which is burger.
Thank you.
I know you love burgers. Do you like it?
Yes.
Even I like mine. So second is your favorite drink. Are you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, go. Starbucks coffee, you love it.
Yes.
Yeah, I love
Strawberry
Fanta.
flavor.
Thank you. It's really nice. So third is your favorite chocolate. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god, turbulence. I love that. And this is your dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Favorite. Bonville. Na? So the fourth is the thing that you need or your partners need. 1, 2, 3, go. It's a brush and that's a coffee. Actually, I mean, both are useful, but I think you have forgotten your brush and we are going for staycation. So this is what you need, and I need my coffee also. That's true. Thank God I was also going to take coffee. मैं भी coffee लेने वाली थी.
Your favorite color?
Okay. So I was confused about your favorite color, so I got you both the things. Pink, right? Pink is my favorite color. And I got you the Pringles blue one, and this is Treseme's shampoo black color, because I was confused. मुझे याद ही नहीं था तुम्हारा favorite color क्या है, blue है या black. Which one is it?
Black.
Black?
Yes.
Right. Hopefully I got one thing right, but I also got both of them. You can keep it. And pink is absolutely my favorite color. I mean, look at this bottle. It's grape and raspberry flavored sparkling soft drink. I mean, it's so cute. I'm really excited to try it.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is the beautiful property that we are staying in, and our room is this one right here, the first one. I mean, it's so gorgeous. Let me show you the close-ups of everything. Just look at it. It's like straight from Pinterest. I mean, it's so aesthetic. Look at that spot. It's so perfect for photos. And look at the pool. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I'm already in love with it. And the property is so clean and well maintained. I'm going to go there, sit on that swing for a while and chill. Just look at the spot, how beautiful it is. Okay, so hey guys, it's 7:30 p.m. right now and it's really cold in here and we are headed out for dinner. कुछ नहीं किया, हमें आने में ही कुछ 5:30-6 बज गए थे. So we just rested and had some coffee, that's it. I'm gonna show you the view at night. Okay guys, so this is the view at night, very pretty. Can you see the bonfire? I'm gonna just sit there and chill because it's very cold right now. And yours, Vinith. Say hi.
Hi.
He's busy with his work. Hey guys, so it is the next morning and we are checking out from the property and अभी जाएंगे कहीं तो घूमने देखते हैं. Here's my handsome man. Let's go. Okay, hey guys, so as you have seen, we have found a hidden type of a cafe जो बहुत ऐसा नीचे था, मतलब पूरा ऐसा माउंटेन सॉर्ट ऑफ उतर कर नीचे आना था. एंड देन देयर इज दैट कैफे विच आई एम सिटिंग राइट नाउ. देखो यहाँ से हम यहाँ से चल के आए हैं, बट द व्यू हियर इज so good. Right now I'm feeling so close to nature. Of course उन्होंने modern touch भी दिया है with all music and everything as you can hear. And again you can see पूरा nature से घिरा हुआ है. I mean, it's so good. I'm feeling already so good just by sitting in it. I'm gonna of course show you all the clips and how the cafe actually looks. Okay, so this is all the area that they have, and there's some sitting area there also down. So the bill was in here. How cute. Look at that cute little strawberry. Hello guys, so I'm back at home and I reached just 15 minutes before. I just changed into my cute pajamas, and the reason that I didn't shoot anything after that it's just because we traveled back home और ऐसा कुछ to be honest shoot करने जैसे था भी नहीं, and my head was literally paining so much, like I had worst headache. सो कुछ नहीं किया, मैं गाड़ी में सो गई. अब भी आई हैव टेकन मेडिसिन, सो आई हैव लाइक अ पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन इफ़ आई गेट माई हेडेक, तो वो मैंने खा ली है. आई हैव चेंज इन टू माई क्यूट पीजेज, वेरी कम्फी राइट नाउ. हैड अ ग्रेट trip, I mean staycation. It was great, had a lot of fun. The whole point of this staycation was, you know, to spend time with my husband, and that is what I did exactly. इसलिए ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा शूट किया नहीं मैंने, बट आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड यू गाइज टू सी द ग्लिम्स ऑफ वॉट आई एम डूइंग ऑन द स्टेकेशन. सो थोड़ा बहुत जो शूट किया है, I've made a vlog out of it. I'm currently gonna have this herbal tea which I'm using for like sleep purpose. मतलब ये थोड़ा एंजाइटी और सबको काम डाउन करता है, मतलब बेसिकली नर्वस सिस्टम को. सो इट्स बाय फूका ब्रांड if I'm pronouncing it right, and it's chamomile and lavender tea, which both are great stress relievers. And I mean इसका टी है ये, इसमें अश्वगंधा है, नटमेग है. This product is really helping me out for my sleep thing. So अभी मैं ये एक herbal tea बनाऊंगी and I'll just sit in my bed, chill, watch some good series maybe and just fall asleep. Yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching again.